To pay your credit card bill at a Chase ATM, start by inserting your Chase card into the ATM. Next, enter your 4-digit PIN on the keypad located on the right side of the machine. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Welcome screen and select the More option, which is typically represented by a gray button. From there, choose Pay Bills to proceed with the payment process. You will then be presented with two options: paying with cash or using your checking account. Select your checking account as the payment method. After selecting your checking account, you'll need to specify the amount you want to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum payment due or another amount. However, if your checking account has insufficient funds, you may be prompted to make a smaller payment. In this case, you can enter a revised amount and confirm the payment by selecting the Pay It button. Once you've completed these steps, the ATM will process your payment and provide a confirmation message after a few seconds. If you've requested a receipt, the ATM will print it out for your records. By following these steps, you can successfully pay your credit card bill at a Chase ATM.